Student Resource Services Accommodation Request Portal Tutorial. First, you will visit wildcat.cookman.edu and log in with your BCU credentials. Then you will click on Current Students tab. Once the Current Students tab opens, scroll down and click on Student Requests. Once the application for accessibility services open, you should see your name, student ID number, and other demographics. Please complete the entire application that has the asterisks by it. Those questions are required to be filled out. Please describe the nature of your disability in its entirety and any accommodations that you have received in the past so that we can assure that you receive accommodations that will support you here as well. Please submit the application, and once you do so, you will get a confirmation email letting you know that it has been submitted and that you'll be contacted as soon as possible. Thank you.